Hey friends, if you encounter ERR connection timed out error on Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, what does it mean? It basically means that the connection timed out while it was trying to ping. Here's what all we would proceed with. First of all, check the internet connection speed. Go to fast.com and hit enter. Check, is the speed good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution. Now we need to check the server status of that website. If it's a popular website, then it can easily be checked. Let us assume that the website is Roblox. So search for Roblox server status and hit enter. Okay, and then go to any website like Down Detector, any other downtime checking website, and check if it is really down. The next solution will be to use a static DNS. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active Wi-Fi network and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select the use the following DNS server address. The preferred one is 8.8.8.8. The alternate one is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the settings and then OK once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.